Hello all, welcome back to Busybees channel. Children, yesterday we have learned how to write A to L, uppercase letters A to L. Let's see the recap of our previous video. Start writing the uppercase letter M. Yes, you have to write like this. Sit in a comfortable place and then start writing. And this is letter N, uppercase letter N. You have to give your curves in the beginning and the ending of the letter. And the letter O, yes. Then the letter P, uppercase letter P. The letter Q, R, S, T, U. All the uppercase letters you will be using the first three lines. You have to practice at least 5 to 10 times and practice every day. Then you will get it very nicely. Yes, and the letter Z. Okay, children, practice well and do post me the pics and practice every day. Now we have done with our uppercase and lowercase letters. Bye. Subscribe.